Okay, this is video 3, the code for the creative portion for the UCO page as over here shown. I'm just going to minimize this. Here we have the text on top, and this is the font that I've added in, the custom font. Over here we have the image. Over here is the ratings portion for a thumbs up. And over here we have the phone icon, the email icon, and the search icon. And right below here, we also have the text that says applications closed November 28th for description that is called down here. And right there we have the apply. And this is the controller page for UCO page. They're pretty similar. And for the public spec, this is the font section. We have the Lato family over here, and we have the Oswald family, and we've added some styles and some weight to the different fonts.